Now, look at these. Look at those roots. So I'm going to very carefully pull out my paper towel. And remember, this was put in here in September. And I went in about a week ago. We're getting a little dry, so I added a little bit of water so that when I did this, all the roots would be soft, not dry and flaky. So there's my date, September 23rd, and it is February 4th today. So I'm going to move this down. Here's my last hole is over here. Make sure I have a big enough hole. Look at that. So I will keep, burying my seeds here. Trying to keep the seeds at about 3 times the depth or the size of the seed in depth. So this seed here would be about this deep. So make sure I have enough room for that root without breaking anything, and continue to plant.